Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Water is Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 201. And if we start with this box, we're missing 2 and 8. And I don't see any help, so 2, 8, 2, 8. If you look at this top row, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. No help here. 1, 2, 8. 2 here, so 1, 8. If we look at this row, we're missing 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 3 and 5 here, so this is our 8. 3 here, so 5, 3. We can get rid of this 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 8. No help here. 2, 3, 8. 3 here, so 2, 8. So if we look at this column, the only place the 8 can be, or the 3 can be, is here. For this column, we're missing 4, 7, and 8. We've got 4 and 8 here, so this is our 7. 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 2. That means the only place the 5 can be in this box is here. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 2 and 6 here, so this is our 9. I don't see any other help. So 2, 6, 2, 6. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 8. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 1, 8. 4 here, so 1, 6, 8. 8 here, so 1, 4, 6. Now if we look at that row, the only place that a 4 can be is here. The only place a 6 can be is here. All right. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 1. 6 here, so 2, 6. For this box now, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 9. No help here. 5, 8, 9. 9 here, so 5, 8. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 7, 3. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 3 here and a 7 here, so 1, 5. 7 here, so 1, 3, 5. 3 here, so 1, 5, 7. 3 and 5 here, so 1, 7. If we look now, the only place the 3 can be is here. Okay. we look at this row, we're missing 1, 5, 7, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 1, 7, 1, 5, and 7 here. So this is our 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 5. We've got 1 and 5 here, so this is our 2. 2 and 5 here, so this is our 1, 5. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 4 here, so 9, 4. That 9 makes this our 8. 1, 5, 9. And that 8 makes this our 5. We can get rid of this 5 here. And now if we look at this column, the only place the 8 can be is here. That makes this our 2, 1, 2, and 8. And that 2 makes this our 6, 2. And for this box now, we're missing 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 2, 8. And this 1 makes this our 7, 1, 7. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. And to finish out this box, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got an 8 here, so 9 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.